Welcome back to RV102, Preventive Maintenance. We're going to talk about motorhome specific stuff. So if this doesn't pertain to you, feel free to skip this lesson altogether. Disclaimers. Standard disclaimer on all Amazon links. It helps support me continuing to author books and courses. You pay nothing extra by clicking on that affiliate link, but I do make a small commission on your purchase. Everything in here in this course was written by me. There is no artificial intelligence AI in this course. Any mistakes you find are truly mine and mine alone. Lesson 7.1 Engine Components. Motorhome only, of course, as I mentioned. You need to check your hoses. Make sure they're not dried and cracked and leaking. Lesson 7.2 In your motorhome, take a look at your drive belts. Make sure they're not cracked, ready to fall off, etc. Two things that you need to check.